You were just crying for me, Don? Oh, I know. We're going to go. We'll be back. Okay, Don? We'll be back. No, Sora. We'll be back. Okay, be good. Where's Charlotte? What are you doing there? Hi, girl. We're going to Chicago today for the annual, no, not annual, but like the biannual Phi Chi Theta National Conference, and we're going to the airport now. Oh, wow, he didn't even use his hand sanitizer. What? Say that again? Guys, he said he doesn't have his hand sanitizer when it's an all-time high for COVID right now, and he's immunocompromised, and he stoops. He went to security. Where's your hand sanitizer? He stoops. We're here. Finally here at Fairfield Inn. This is just for one night. I'm using my free night.
He went to the wrong hotel, which I can see why he'll make a mistake. Apparently it's another Fairfield 10 minutes away from here. But the address though, the address. Okay.
So funny story, we went to the wrong hotel. It was a 14-minute walk. I mean, we were technically, I don't even know if this is considered River North, but we were in the River North area, and they were like, we don't find your booking. Can you show me your confirmation? So we opened it and we're like, oh, it's a different location. So this one's a 14-minute walk. We walked through some sketchy areas, and this is definitely not as nice as the other one, but let me give you a tour. First thing you see when you enter is the bathroom, perfect for me. Then we have our little living room. We got upgraded to a suite, your desk area, but we're literally checking out tomorrow morning. And then our bed. Nice. So Heidi and her boyfriend are actually gonna meet us here. They're gonna pick us up so we can go for dinner at West Loop. Heidi was actually my college roommate in senior year. We actually even worked in the same place in my work study, so that's actually how we met. So we're gonna go and meet her boyfriend. We both of us got the same mocktails. So like, it's nice to have.
I would say. And then they
Forgot about that.
do you want Parmesan?
Yeah, I'll take some.
Okay. Save some. I'm gonna ask for more.
Just save them a pinch, you know, just like a little sprinkle. Just one thing.
I love cheese, so.
And I love
What's the filling then?
Is there filling in there?
So we checked into our other hotel. The hotel we'll be staying for 4 nights. Addison's working in the hotel room, and I'm going to the Google office today. By the way, it's like literally 7:58, so I'm up way earlier, but in New York this is like 8:58. So the plan today is I'm gonna go to the Google office. Heidi's actually gonna meet up with me after work, and then we're gonna go to 10 Pin for the Phi Chi Theta registration, which is basically the bowling lanes that are right next to the hotel. And we're gonna be enjoying the night. random train on our roof. Oh, got some couches. So we just finished lunch. I had lunch with a coworker that's based in Chicago, did some work, and then now I'm heading over to meet up with Heidi. I think mine is probably okay. I mean, it's pretty simple. This is like a cube.
White building with a clock tower. That was the first skyscraper north of the river. Before that building opened in 1924, the rooftop of the Wrigley building. Second setback matches the roof with Mather Tower. It's a skinny building across the river with a rocket ship tower on top. That third setback matches the height of the AMA building. It was that dark building peeking out on the other side. The artist is annoyed with Chicago for calling it the Beam. The artist calls it Cloudgate. And we're like, dude, shouldn't have made it look like a beam. Because it's the Beam now. Place to park the car. In the plaza, there's a little marketplace, the dry cleaners, restaurants, place to park your boat. Vertical lines that lead your eyes upward. There's ornamentation, and it's made for skyscraper.
You go right here.
Now the building right in front of us, river like an alleyway. Harry Weiss wants to change that, and I think he got the ball rolling with the river cottages, because our relationship with the river is completely transformed. What's going on here? They had two really big challenges with this building. They couldn't build the foundation out all the way to the river's edge on the left because we want to warrant that innovative Y-shaped design. And when architects and engineers build a tall building, they know they're going to have to deal with a thing called sway. Wind will hit the building, and the building will move around a bit. They just want to try to wave yourself, that's all. Oh, there's something to the flare, be careful. It's Wolf Point up there where we were earlier. It's a map of the river. That orange block in the center is You Are Here. It's an $800,000 You Are Here map. Building in the world designed by a woman-led architecture firm. All right, we can do better. Woman-led architecture firm. We just need to rehearse. Tomorrow, my place.
Refreshing. Audience cam.
It's refreshing.
Look at his little poop. It's not little, it's a big piece of poop.
Chocolate.
And you got a, is that purple? A purple cone?
A black cone.
A purple black chocolate cone?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, taste it.
It's good.
No tasting cam. I ate the poop. Hi. Look who's here. Do that again. That was funny.
Welcome to Chicago, y'all. How'd you like all the fun on your
Cheers.
I don't even remember what I got. Why does this smell like horchata?
This is really sweet. This is yours.
It's like an ube. I mean, in this lighting, it's hard to tell, but it was wreck it. Wreck it. Wreck it, Ralph. Oh my god, the sauce.
No, keep going.
They're like, oh my gosh, no, don't.
This is like Wreck It Ralph.
Oh, yes.
Where I'm gonna stay here for a bit. Are you kidding me? What? What? It's like you guys are like whispering something.
Like, kids don't do this.
This isn't what you're supposed to do.
Guys, so we just missed out. Whee! Is this another one? Or is this still the credits?
I don't know.
Build up the house. It's a bit hard to see.
I know. Gotta get used to it. Are you used to it?
Are they like actually? I think they're projecting it with the windows in mind.
Oh.
Tai Chi?
Yeah. Exactly what she's doing.
Where are you demonstrating? Do that again.
Oh, I cannot do that.
Oh, yeah, no.
Ah! Can't go higher. I can't go higher.
You can go higher.
I promise you, I'm not drunk. Ah! Oh my God, they're watching. I feel like I'm mocking them, but is this yoga or is this Tai Chi? Is this Tai Chi or yoga? That's what I want to know.
So it's my friend who had to play for a test rabbit before.
That's Tai Chi. That's Tai Chi. I wouldn't know because my grandpa did it.
I don't know.
Can you believe that's cake? It's like so smooth. It's got that little skirt. It's like a purple skirt.
faces that aren't that
Smells heavenly.
So I want to take a moment, first of all, just to thank all of our attendees who've been here all week for all of your engagement, all of the thoughtful conversations throughout the course of the week. I hope you've learned a lot, made some great connections that'll last beyond this conference.
Yeah, my dad uses Pandora too. That's why I was like.
To take clocks and make them in the shape of Michigan and put a clock right in the middle and then sell them door to door. So imagine.
Congratulations.
We've elected Mike as our national president-elect, Elizabeth as our national vice president of programming, elect, our national vice president-elect of expansion.
All right, everyone. That is a wrap. The conference is done. I've been ousted. I don't know if I gave context, but our bylaws have recently changed to basically remove the VP of Alumni Affairs. And we're essentially going to just make it, instead of VP Collegiate Affairs, it's going to be VP of Programming, and it's going to encompass the alumni work as well. But, well, kind of, not really. But the alumni chair, which will be appointed by the president, is actually going to be one that is running the alumni ambassador program. So I've been ousted by my own bylaws. I don't really feel too bad because I will be doing the same work. It's just I won't have that title anymore. I won't have as much obligations to vote and to join all those calls anymore as well. I'll just have my little personal project. So, just wrapped up. Addison has been enjoying Chicago to hang out with friends. We met out with Mack and Heidi this trip. And then after that, we really didn't do that much touristy stuff except for like the Architectural River Cruise. The Architectural River Cruise was probably the one thing that we should have done when we were in Chicago the past 2 times, but we haven't done it. So I'm glad I kind of waited because this was pretty much covered for me on this trip. But yeah, it's a really nice conference. It's our 100th year anniversary, so we were able to cover a lot, celebrate a lot, eat a lot, and now we're heading to the airport.
Things I do for you. Is it recording now?
Yeah. Hi, Charlotte. We're back. Oh, no. Charlotte. Yeah. Dad. Dad.
Just take that down.
Aw,
She's like, what are you watching?
I've exposed you. I'm sorry.
You're peeing me out.
Me too. Okay, Don.